everyone, myself K. Nikhil. I am studying in 9th standard. Came from DHARPALLY Little Hearts High School. Today I am going to conduct an experiment to reuse the plastics. The required materials are plastic bottle, ghee and the cotton. Cut the plastic bottle and take the cotton and keep it inside the bottle. Dissolve with ghee. Take ice cubes and keep the bottle in ice cubes. After some time, the ice cubes ice cool, the substance convert to solid. So these are the useful for reuse. Now I am going to light this. So this is my experiment. In online this was more expensive. So reuse the plastic.